Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can fix the high memory and the RAM usage for your Windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can fix that. So let's go quick into the process. So first is we are going to open our task manager. So in the Windows search bar, type here task manager. That will appear under the best match. Then you just have to click on that. Now maximize this. Now you will find all the list of processes or applications running in the background. Now we have to close all the unnecessary applications running in the background. So if you find any unnecessary application running in the background and you are not using this application, then what you'll have to do is you just need to simply make a right click and then select End Task. Now you have to do that for all the unnecessary applications running in the background. Then still on the left pane, you have to click on the Startup Apps status. Make sure this is from enabled to disabled so that you will know what are the startup applications enabled on your Windows. Then here you have to look for all the unnecessary startup applications enabled on your Windows. Now how can you do that? Just simply make a right click and then select Disable. Right click Disable. Right click Disable. Right click Disable. Do this for all the unnecessary startup applications. Disable. So once done, simply close this window. And then in the Windows search bar, type here Services. That will appear under the best match. Then go ahead and click that. Now here in the list of services, we are going to look for the service name sysmain. So scroll down to letter S. And you will find sysmain. Now, if you have superfetch or sysmain, the process is just the same. Right-click, select Properties, Startup Type. If this is automatic, make sure this is disabled, and just click on Stop, Apply, and then OK. Once done, close this window. Then, for the final method is we are going to go ahead into the Windows search bar, type here systm.cpl. Best match, go ahead and click on that. The System Properties window will appear, which has Computer Name, Hardware, Advanced System Protection, and the Remote tab. You have to click on the third tab, which is the Advanced tab. And you'll find Performance, Visual Effects, Processor Scheduling, Memory Usage, and Virtual Memory. Click on Settings. Then here, you have to click on Adjust for Best Performance. And then check this box for Show Thumbnails instead of icons, and then Smooth Edges of Screen Fonts. Apply, and then OK. And then OK once again. And the final method, we are just going to make a restart of our Windows. So right click on the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. Then you're good to go. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.